Dear students, I know you all have prepared very well physical properties of metals and non-metals. So let's check how much all of you have prepared. End of the test, you have to count your score and write down what you have scored in the comment section. For every question, you will get 5 seconds to write your answer. So, when the question will appear on your screen, immediately after that, you have to write down your answer in the comment section. End of the test, you will check your score and you will write down your score in the comment section as well. I hope you all have understand. So let's start. Question number 1. The property of metal for which it can be drawn into thin wire is. I hope you all have written your answer, and your answer is ductility. Next question. There are dash metals present in periodic table. You have to write down what is the number of metals present in the periodic table. And here is your answer. I hope you all have written it correctly. It is 91. Going to the next. The non-metal which is liquid at room temperature is. And your answer is, yes, it is bromine. Next question. Elements having properties of both metals and non-metals are known as. Yes, you got it rightly. It is metalloids. Next question. A liquid metal is. And the answer is mercury. Next question. A non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Quickly write down your answer. I know you all have got it correctly. Yes, it is graphite. Next question. A metal which is so soft that can be cut with a knife. And your time starts now. Here lies your answer. It is sodium. Next, boron is an example of. You have to write whether it is a metal, non-metal or metalloid. Time to take your answer. Yes, it is metalloid. Next question. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Very easy, I know. All of you know the answer. And the answer is, yes, it is silver. Last question of the day. Property of metal for which it can be beaten into thin sheet is known as. And time to get your answer. Children, now all of you will count down your score, that how many answer you got correctly, and write down your score in the comment section. Thank you.